We're going to explore two-dimensional lists. Two-dimensional lists are effectively made up of multiple lists. So let's just have a look at creating a two-dimensional list from the three lists that we've already created for country, capital, and population. So let's have a look at how we do this. So the first way we could do this is to create a new list and make it empty, and then we append each of the other lists in turn. So we can append country, we can append capital, and we can append population. So capital and population. And then just to check that that's all worked well for us, we can print that out. So just print out the list and let's run it. So you can see it's created a list that's now two-dimensional. And you'll notice as well that there's a list here of our countries, which is all good. And we have a list here of our cities. And we have a list here of our population in millions. You'll notice as well, so each of those lists in themselves are separate. And then we have square brackets on the outside. So what we're saying is we have a list inside a list. That's what a two-dimensional list is. So that's one way of creating a list. Another way of doing it would be to simply add our values to the list as we're creating it. So that could be done by doing country, capital, and doing it that way would also work as well. So just show you both ways. So you can do it both ways if you ever need to. And there we have it. So it's done exactly the same thing, just a slightly different way of producing our lists. Now the slightly tricky thing is how we are able to access the values. I've now presented that list in the form of a table because it makes it easier for us to understand how we find the values within a list using indexing. So let's say, for example, we want to access the city Beijing. The index is in row 1 and the position of the item in the list is 2. So therefore, to access Beijing, we would do the name of the list, which is nation in this case, and the index position of the row, which is 1, and then the position of the item in the list is 2, and that demonstrated there is how we would retrieve the value that's in that location of index position 1 and 2. So that's Beijing. It's quite easy to get those the wrong way around. For example, you could easily mistake that and take it to be 300, for example, if you got those the wrong way around. So it's just really careful. You need to be really careful to understand that the first value represents the row and the second value represents the position of the item in the list. What we're going to do now is apply this indexing to our code. So let's try the one we just looked at. So look at Beijing. So remember that was in location 1 and comma 2. So we're going to save that and try that and run that. And you can see it returns Beijing. Let's do 1 0 0. That's quite straightforward. It's the most top left one, which is UK. So again, we can run that one. So you can see how to retrieve the different values.